Hello and welcome to my workshop. I bought these 2 1.5" half tools chisels, job site chisels, from TF Tools. I've cleaned the back of this one off, what the back of that chisel came like, and this after I've done about half an hour's work on, you can see the difference, how reflective that is. But this is showing a high point on here, it's hollow here, high point there, so you can see where the polish is good. It's over the, in fact, it's no real difference to this, except I've got a much better finish on the back of that. It's a Japanese chisel, again from TF Tools, lovely little chisel this. I do a lot of cabinet making and joinery. This is more of a job site one, but if you get that finish on the back of it, it'll just give you a much better edge. And now, this is 25 degrees, they come pre-ground at 25 degrees. I've got an 800 grit in here, blade spacer, that will fit in the outside slot here. So that brings the tool closer to the centre. And I'll show you why, because I now have full contact between the tool and the diamond. If I do it off the edge here, and it'll be trial and error to people who've got new ones, it comes off. So the idea is that you work from as close to the, so I've got this set at 30 degrees, alter the angle like so, 30 degrees on the data mark, lift, slide. I'm going to do about a dozen strokes, just check the back, and you can see, there we go, there you go, you can see the tip of the chisel is just beginning to be polished and sharpened. As I said, they came with a pretty good edge. You could probably use it straight from the package. I'm going to do one more with a reduced number of strokes. So, in not very much time, out of the packet, straight through, just like that. Lovely, crisp end grain shavings.